Hi, it's Designer Funmi here. Hi there, I'm Designer Funmi. My name is Funmi Adediro, but you can call me Designer Funmi. Hi, I'm Designer Funmi. Well, my name is Funmi, but you can call me Designer Funmi. Hi, this is Designer Funmi. My name is Funmi, but I am Designer Funmi. Okay, enough with the introduction. My name is Funmi Adediro. I'm a product designer and I'm having a brand name, Designer Funmi. It sounds great, right? So meet Designer Funmi. I am a product designer and a product design tutor and also a coach. Oh, really nice, right? Yeah, I know. But guess what? It doesn't end here. I am more than that. I am, let's say, a content creator and a YouTuber. Now, recently, I just found out that I like creating content like this now. I'm really enjoying this. I'm enjoying my profession. I'm enjoying my career. And I'm enjoying creating videos, content. I'm enjoying sharing knowledge to people. I'm enjoying making tutorials, making tips about uiuxdesign and any tutorial relating to product design or uiuxdesign. There you have it. You have met Designer Funmi, right? And I'm curious to know more about I'm curious to know what she's going to do. But I know Designer Funmi is up to so many things. Like, yeah, she's up to many things and she's capable. Okay, this is still Designer Funmi on the table. No, I'm not on the table. I'm actually standing on the floor. I'm not on the table, sir. But this is still Designer Funmi. Okay, if you're curious, like you haven't seen my YouTube videos, you don't know about my LinkedIn, I have all these essential links in my bio. Just go to my bio and you will see all essential links. Then click on that link. It takes you to a link tree, and in that link tree you can see my LinkedIn, you can see my Behance, you can see my Twitter, you can see my layers, you can see my YouTube video, my TikTok videos, and you can catch up with Designer Funmi there mixed with Funmi Adediro. So basically Designer Funmi and Funmi, right? Yes. So thank you so much, guys, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, and thank you so much if you have. Thank you. And thank you everyone for watching this video, and thank you for following up with Designer Funmi. Okay, yes, Designer Funmi and Funmi Adediro checking out. Bye. I'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys in my next video. All right, bye.